With the festive season fast approaching, roadblocks have begun in the northwest. Neighbouring countries, Botswana, South Africa and Namibia, are already intensifying their efforts to ensure that road fatalities go down.
In Botswana, we are very much strict on issues of drunken driving. Our limit is very, very low as compared to our contracting parties. And we are convincing them to reduce the alcohol limit so that it can equally be the same. So that when you are driving from South Africa, when you get into Botswana, the same limit should apply.
In South Africa, law enforcement will be more stringent.
This festive season will not tolerate 1, drunken driving, 2, unroadworthy vehicles, 3, overloaded vehicles, whether in terms of persons or in terms of goods. That will not really tolerate.
And a stern warning has been given to those wishing to visit Namibia this festive season.
For the South African and the Botswana who would want to go now to have a holiday in Namibia, they should forget about drinking. That would be a no-no. We will have a serious operation. We have now already have a national committee on TKC. So that will be a no-no. The other aspect will be speeding.
The 3 countries will also have more strict border regulations this festive season. Selwane Khachau, SABC News, Rustenburg.